Hi guys, this short tutorial is about how to use Telegram on your PC or laptop. You probably use it on your phone, but today I'll show you how to install it on your computer. All we need is a stable internet connection and any browser. So first of all, open your browser. Click on address bar and type desktop.telegram.org. Well, we opened official Telegram page. Now click on Get Telegram for Windows. Just wait a bit for downloading. Click on this exe file. Open Downloads. Click twice on it. And here is a simple process of installation. Choose the language. Then choose the disk and folder where your Telegram should be installed. It's totally up to you. Here choose Don't Create Start Menu folder. Leave it at that and just click on Next. Final step, just click on Install and wait a bit. Well, after installation just click on Finish. And here is Telegram on your desktop. Just click twice to open it and choose Start Messaging. To enter, you just need to click on Log in using your phone number and follow the instruction. Just choose your country, enter your number, and click on Next. Nothing complicated about that. Well, thanks you guys for watching, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button.